if you know me, you know my love for cheese, so this was perfect for me. Good morning, K Squad. Welcome to my world for day 5 of Vlogtober, Bosstober. Good morning, and this is my morning look. This is my morning look, and I am about to wake it up, and get me some breakfast going. It's gonna be a easy morning breakfast. I think I'll give you guys a keto shake this morning. How about that? Keto shake and some turkey bacon is normally what I like to have really quickly, so I can get into some homework and some other stuff, and some work, and just get my day going on this fabulous Monday. So we'll go ahead and get ready to do that, but first let me So we're about to get ready to go make these smoothies for me and Mom. Hold tight. And there we have it. I usually divide this up between me and my mom. If you're extra hungry, then you can drink the whole thing as a full meal. But since I'm having the bacon as well, a half of this is fine. Alright guys, we are done. Got my turkey bacon. About 2 pieces of turkey bacon. I don't know the
calorie count offhand. I'll look on my Fitness Pal app. And my smoothie, I like to drink mine with a straw. Blueberry cheesecake all in your mouth. Yeah, I wanted to sit down and talk for a second about keto. For those of you who don't exactly know what it is, it was developed back in the early 1900s for a cure for epilepsy, but they found that it could also help with weight loss and other things, boost your energy levels, help keep your sugar levels down, help clear up your skin. Like, it has several different good qualities and benefits. But for me, I've tried to lose weight over the years. For me, it just seems like I hit a plateau. I always find it kind of hard in the food department, and I thought that this would be a good thing once I started to read about it and understand a little bit. But what it does is, you know, that if any food that we eat, it fuels our body, and 9 times out of 10 our body is fueled on carbs. What this does is it forces your body to feed on fat. This is a low carb diet, high fat diet, healthy fats at that. So you will train your body, you'll eliminate all carbs, let all the carbs burn out, and consume a higher amount of fat so that your body is trained to fuel on that fat. That is when you reach a state of ketosis. Ketosis is when you don't have any carbs to burn, and it's burning mainly on that fat. And what it'll do is it will burn the fat that's already in you, getting rid of the fat that you don't want. Basically, so it's like fat burning fat, basically. I have a few of my beginner notes. So I started out with finding my macros. That's very, very important. The first time I started back in June of 2018. When I started, I got my macros and I was trying so hard to make sure that I ate all of the fats, that I went over my calorie limit for the day. So it's very, very important to find your macros. I'm going to leave a link here and in the description box on where you can find your macros. It basically asks about your body weight, your goals, how active you are, so that it can count up how many calories that you'll need to have in a day, how many amount of healthy fats, protein, and good stuff like that. And then you'll just create your meal plans based off of those macros. And you'll definitely have to get into the planning mode, because each recipe, you know, it has different amount of calories, different amount of the fats, and you just want to make sure that you're consuming the correct amount and the healthiest amounts of that. Set your daily goals and your macros. Now, when I first started, and then I figured out what was wrong, I also incorporated cardio. I started with 6 days a week with Shanti's hip hop abs, and that did the trick, because not only am I burning fat with fat, I'm also burning fat with exercise. So keep that in mind. Some good things that I like to incorporate into my meal plans. You have to have nuts and seeds. I'll leave some information on some good options. Cheese. If you know me, you know my love for cheese, so this was perfect for me. Now, sweets is the part that is a little bit tough, and I'm still trying to work out the kinks for that. But my go-to was like the baking chocolate, like the Ghirardelli 70% cocoa. It's a little bit bitter, but once you get around that, one square has a good amount of healthy fat in it, so one piece would be okay for me after dinner. But be careful, because you can also venture off into what they call dirty keto. Olive oils, avocado oils, coconut oils, full of fat. You can add those in smoothies to help boost your fat count for the day. You can cook with it. Veggies, make sure you pile up on your veggies. Your greens are going to be your best friend. So if you want to add your greens to your smoothies, you want to make salads, peppers are good. I'm going to also leave a number of good veggies for keto. I love asparagus and green beans the most. Spinach and kale are great. Fruit, you have to be very, very careful, because they do contain sugars, and sugars are not the best for keto as well. I'm gonna also leave a few good fruit options. You want to stay close to those high in antioxidants, and if you like avocados are perfect for keto because it's full of fat. It's a good fat. I stick close to blueberries, raspberries. So like I said, keto has a lot of benefits. You sleep better, you're more energized, you're more productive. If you have acne issues, your face clears up, and you just feel like you have a overall good detox. And definitely it can clear your chakras, especially if you're meditating in the process as well. You'll look better and you'll feel better. I'm restarting after I was in the hospital in December for bacterial meningitis. I just kind of fell off of the keto training, just started eating regular food, and then the pandemic hit, and it was just survival mode, so we were just just eating. Now I'm trying to get back into this mode of keto, and I'm testing out some new recipes and just trying to find my mix of good food and exercise this go around as well. And that's all I got for this morning. I don't want to bore y'all with the rest of my day. I got homework. Anybody want to help me with accounting? No? I'm good. Well, I'll see y'all in the next video, or y'all will see me. Like, comment, and subscribe. Leave comments below of anything that you might want to ask about keto or want to see on this keto journey, and we'll just keep it simple. Hey, remember that I love you, and also tell me how you bossing on this Monday. Bye, y'all. Oh, and don't forget your water. Drink your water. Like, some people go up to a gallon a day. Start with a half a gallon a day, and you'll want water. Bye, y'all.